Welcome to FireJars, a tool that helps you build your path towards financial freedom and encourages intentional spending. Today, we will look at how to complete the onboarding steps. Let's begin. Hit Next to start the setup. First, you can choose your language and currency. Click Next. You are asked to estimate your current net worth, which corresponds to all your assets minus your debts. For example, let's enter $20,000. You also need to enter the date for this net worth estimation. Next, you can add your monthly income, for example, $3,500. Now, you have questions about your spending habits. How much you spend monthly on fixed costs, whether you have an emergency fund and how long it would last, and how much you spend for fun. To better estimate your past expenses for growth, you need to enter in this step. How much you have spent this year on education, then your investments so far this year. Finally, how much you have given back to the community this year. Now the next step helps estimate your future jar allocations. You can choose how you want to spend on self-improvement, how aggressive you want to be with your investment goals, and the level of your charity allocation. Then you need to estimate how much you want to allocate for these accounts. In other words, how much of your savings you want to spend for growth. Let's say $1,500 in this example. Now, you can choose between the 6 jars method or the 4 jars method. The 6 jars method is more suitable for most cases. Now, you see an estimation of your jar allocations. You can always fine-tune these numbers to better reflect your financial situation. Next, you are asked about your retirement plan, the amount you expect as a monthly pension, your expected annual return on investments that can be conservative, balanced, or dynamic, and what inflation rate to use. Before completing the setup, you can either book an onboarding call or finalize your financial profile. Here we go. Welcome to the FireJars community. Thanks for watching.